Click on search bar and type here task manager. After that, click here to open it. Select run as administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select file, click on run new task, and from here click on browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Go to search bar and type the application name, right click on it and just simply click on uninstall. Then it will open a new window. Select that application and just click on uninstall. In the next step, go to search bar and type here settings. Click here to open it. Open apps tab. Go to apps and features, and from here you can just select the application or program. Click on these three dots and click on uninstall. And the last step is again go to search bar, type control panel, click here to open it, then go to programs, then programs and features, and from here also you can just select the program and click on uninstall. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.